One day to go, Bella.
Yep.
What do you think?
Sweet.
I'm so excited. We have less than 24 hours and we will be on a plane. So we're just about to head to work. And then tonight we have my brother coming over. He's gonna be watching the house for us and the dog. And then we go to bed and we wake up and vacation time!
Yep.
Work's over. We got some pizza. Eating our dinner. And Ashley and Colin are taking off. Gonna go take the boy over to Grandma's house.
Yep.
You gonna be good for Mimi? Yeah? Okay. Good job, buddy. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna end it right here. We're gonna watch a movie and then we're gonna get ready for bed. And tomorrow we wake up and we get on an airplane. Here is 32 push-ups and my Russ flip.